stem is really crunchy. You want to try the stem, Totoro? It's super crunchy. No? This is going to be a battle. To the chard all up. Take it out for now because I'm going to add more and then I'll put everything in at once if I can. But now, let's wash and chop the kale. Yeah, is Mommy doing all this for you? Are you going to appreciate it? Huh? Are you going to eat the chop? You better. Wheel. Don't know why, but this baby bok choy is the cutest little vegetable I have ever seen. Yeah. What are you complaining about? Uh-huh. Let's rinse this baby. baby bok choy. Let's rinse this baby off. You want to come see? Come here. No? Chicken butt. Totoro's a chicken butt. Honey, get off the floor. Come here. Look. Oh, scary. Scary vegetables. Totoro says, no thank you. No thank you. What do you think? What do you think about all this? Think you'll eat it? No? Oh. You better eat it. You better eat it. I'm gonna get you to eat it. Yum, 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 yum. And time to chop up the baby bok choy. That was pretty. Pretty. What do you think? Is it pretty? Does it look good enough to eat? Oh, she's running away again. Okay, I got a carrot from our garden. I'll chop that up too. Add a little bit more color to it. And carrots are good. Carrots are good for birdies. Get your little birdie butt back up here. She's on my hip. Let's see if I can show you. Can I see you? What are you doing? Climb back up here. What are you doing down there? You're all blurry, but I can't tap the screen to focus it. Totoro. Get your little butt up here. What are you doing? Cooking with Totoro. It's an adventure. mashed up some of the sweet potato in a bowl and put some of the chop in there. I don't know that she'll eat it, but we're gonna keep trying. Yeah. I'm gonna keep trying to give it to you every day for a while and see if eventually you eat it. Huh? Yeah, picky girl. So the rest of this needs to go into a bunch of little containers to put in the freezer. Ta-da! Our first attempt at chop. Don't know how this is gonna go. Come here. No, she doesn't want to go near it. But I gotta take a picture of you in front of it. You wanna do that? Let's do that. Oh, okay. So that made enough to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these little sauce cups. Plus some extra that I'm gonna put, well, plus this, plus some extra that I'm gonna put in the fridge for tomorrow. She's on my hip again. What are you doing down there? What are you doing? Ugh, I can't see you. Get off my butt. Get off my butt. Gladly, Mama. Gladly. Okay, let's go see if I can get you to eat chop. I didn't get my camera in time, guys, but she ate a bunch of that leaf. Come here. Come keep eating. She flew when I went to get my camera. Yum yum. Keep eating. Look, Mommy's here. Yeah. Look, Mommy's gonna sit down and eat too. Look, Mommy has the same stuff. Come here. I'm just eating bits of it. Look what Mommy's eating. You want some of it too? Yum yum. Look, Totoro, look. Totoro, look. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, it's yum yum. Come on. Yummy, yummy, honey. Good girl. You like it. You know you like it. Don't deny it. Yum yum. Figure if I spread it all across the counter, she might actually eat it. Yum yum. Yum yum. Come on, Totoro. Come here. Yum yum. Look, here, let me break that leaf up if you don't like it. Too big. Leaf's too big, Mom. I don't like big leaves. There you go. Yum yum. That sweet potato's real good, huh? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Good girl. I'm just gonna praise her. Even if she doesn't swallow it, I'm gonna praise her every time she tries it. Good girl. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Good girl. Again, she's not eating much of it, but every time she tastes it, I'm gonna praise her. Yum, yum. Totoro. Look, yum, yum. Totoro. Yummy, yummy. No, I don't want you to go on my knee right now. This could take weeks, but that's okay. We'll keep trying. I brought some downstairs with me and put it on her mat with some millet all around it. See if I can get her to snack on it some more. I've got a video of cockatiels in an aviary going, because that's what I had going when I was gone at the grocery store, so I was like, I'll just play it again while we're sitting here. See, look, there's some seeds in that green stuff too. That green stuff is tasty. I have a feeling she's just gonna eat the seeds. And she prefers to forage on the floor, so I don't know that putting this in a bowl is gonna do anything for her. I could try it eventually, but I'm just gonna keep putting it in places where she might eat it. Oh gosh, I need to clean that poop up. I mean, I scraped it up, but I need to wipe the white stuff off. You gotta clean up your mat. It's all poopies. She goes right for the seeds and just steps on the green stuff. She did chew on some leaves up in the kitchen, so, and I praised her every time she did. But we'll see. It's like she's doing it on purpose. She knows what I want her to eat. I guess I should have put more of the millet in the green rather than right next to it, because she's just going to be there for a long time. Oh, yummy. Oh, she picked up a leaf and ran away. It's like she was offended by it. She picked it up and had it in her mouth for a second and then immediately dropped it and ran away. Yum yum. Oh no, she found a little millet ball from her millet sprig up on her tree. Oh, those birds on the tree are being noisy, huh? Oh, you're okay. Come on, come eat this. Don't eat. Ew, don't eat that. That's disgusting. Ew, Totoro. Seriously? You have all this fresh, beautiful, delicious food and you choose to eat dried poop? But it's so crunchy. I like crunchy things. Look at all this delicious stuff. You tried some up in the kitchen and you liked it. You ate it. Come on. Come on. Should I just lay on the floor and take a nap here while I wait for an eternity for you to come eat some of this green stuff? This was just the stuff left over in the bowl anyway. I froze everything else. Where are you going? What? Oh my gosh. You were on your plastic mat and you ran off of your plastic mat just to poop on the carpet. Is that what you just did? Did you do that on purpose? I think you did. I think you did that on purpose. Yep, because then she goes back onto the mat for more foraging. One little fart. One little fart. You little fart.